Hello, my sweet creative cutie. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays. And I just want to take this moment to say a sincere thank you. It has been an incredible year for Unleash. We won a Webby Award together, actually two. And the one that we won for the People's Voice was largely thanks to you. Interviewed some amazing people, had some amazing creative takeaways, launched a workshop, did great coaching sessions, and I got to do so many wonderful solo episodes with you. The community built, and I hope it continues to grow. As I always say, we need creative solutions to the world's problems, and the world needs you for that. They need you to unleash, to claim your birthright to creativity, and to step into your full self. Thank you for being here, for showing up each week to listen, to help me achieve my dream. And I hope that through listening to this podcast, you've gotten closer to one, some, or all of yours. It's a real honor to be able to talk with you every week and to do this kind of work. And I just hope you know when I say I believe in you, I really, really mean it. This week, we're taking off from doing a full show. I do want to take one moment to also thank my amazing producer, Rachel Fulton. She pours her heart and soul into this podcast every week, and I couldn't do it without her. So grateful for her. Thanks to Liz Full, who wrote the theme music for this show and has just been such a great supporter in my life and in my creative career. And I do want to remind you, if you want some support in 2025, I am doing an amazing creative workshop. I would love to have you on. It's called Kickstart Your Creative Project in 2025. It's going to be available at the show notes and on my website. And I just want to invite you to come into it. You'll gain tools to release self-doubt, do some inner child healing, and also you'll gain practical steps to go toward your creative goal and put it out into the world. This is your moment. You deserve this. Gift this to yourself. Gift it to someone you know who's just on the precipice of doing something great. It's on January 11th at 11 a.m. If you use code KICKSTART, you get $10 off, and it's only $30 with that code. So for less than the price of 2 LA coffees, you can get an amazing workshop that will help you really lean into who you are and what you want to do in the world. I love you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me as I start this new exciting venture in my career, which is teaching, which I love doing so much. I love teaching and coaching. This workshop is going to be first half teaching, second half live group coaching. And yeah, I just appreciate you. Hope you have the most beautiful holiday. And we'll catch you next week. We're going to have an amazing show about how to do a life audit. And I think you're going to love it. Anyway, happy holidays. And thank you for being you. Bye.